Hello 8th class students. Today I am going to explain you the lesson number 2, spreadsheet formulas and functions. So one of the important attributes of Excel is its ability to perform calculations either using a formula or a function. So basically what is the purpose of Excel sheet is to perform calculations. So last year also you have seen this Microsoft Excel sheet. In this sheet what we have done the calculation work. So for example, we have typed anything in Excel sheet and we can do the calculation, like we have input some numbers and we want to find the sum of its number. We can do it easily. For example, I want to find the sum of these numbers. So what I will do, I will select it and easily I can use the function sum, then find its output here 9800. So this is the function, and if you want to apply formula, then we can type by ourselves also if we know the formula to calculate the sum of two numbers. So what formula I can apply here is equal to sum, then bracket start, then I will select the range which sum I want, then press the enter key. So it will give the output also. So formula is defined by the user and function is already present in the system, which you can use from here also, or you can type by yourself also. So this is the formula which is user defined and the function which is already inbuilt or present in the system, you can say. So in this chapter we will learn the basics of formulas and functions and how they can be used in different scenarios, means in different parts of the sheet, how we can use these formulas and functions, that we will see in this chapter. So basically formulas are user defined instructions to perform calculations, and whereas functions are predefined. So already I explained you here. Then what is the formula and function? Formula are user defined, means we can type the formula, and or if you not want to type the formula, you can use it directly from the inbuilt बने बनाए आप function यहाँ से ले सकते हो. Now we will see the next formulas in Excel. So formulas are used to perform calculations involving addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. So formula को use करके आप कौन कौन सी calculation कर सकते हो? You can do addition also, like in mathematics which work you can do. So these types of works, addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, also you can do in Microsoft Excel sheet. A formula establishes a relationship between two or more cells. So when we are creating any formula, we are selecting one or more than one cell. So like if you want to add the numbers, you are selecting these cells, so it will select show the relationship between one or two cells, you can say. Now it is an expression. A formula establishes a relationship between two or more cells. It is an expression that you can include cell addresses, numbers, arithmetical operators and parentheses. तो एक ऐसा एक्सप्रेशन जहाँ पे हम जब भी सेल एड्रेस देते हैं सेल के अंदर, तो when we write the formula or anything, we can write like is equal to a2 plus b2 multiply 5. So this is full cell reference which we are giving, so that according to this it will do the calculations. For example, when we are giving any reference in the cell, like here if I have given here is equal to sum b2 to b7, means यहाँ पे is equal to sum क्या हो गया, आपके पास फॉर्मूला हो गया, देन b2 से लेके b7 तक का आपने रेफरेंस दिया है कि इस सेल्स का आपको सम चाहिए. ओके, so you have given the reference of these cells, and these brackets are called parentheses. And if we are using any form operators like plus, multiply, then that is called the operators here. So like here one by one I will explain you. Formula must begin with equal to symbol. So when we write the formula, always when we write the formula in Excel sheet, it will apply, before that we are applying here is equal to symbol, and it may contain few or more elements below the mentioned elements. यहाँ पे हम कुछ देखेंगे elements दिए हैं जो कि जिसमें हम one by one we will see how we can use in the Excel sheet. References means a cell or a range of cells that you can want to include in your calculations. तो जो cells आप use करना चाहते हो अपनी calculation के अंदर, वो आप select कर सकते हो, and that you can type also, you can select also. Operators means which operators, like here he want to find the sum of a2 plus b2, then multiply by 5. So here plus, multiply, minus, these are the operator symbols here. Constant means numbers or text. For example 5 is the constant here. a2 के अंदर कोई वैल्यू होगी, तो ये एक तरह के आप कह सकते हो टेक्स्ट वैल्यू है. b2 मीन्स b2 के अंदर भी कोई वैल्यू होगी, मीन्स a कॉलम सेकेंड रो, b कॉलम सेकेंड रो, वैल्यू विल बी स्टोर्ड हियर. Then predefined formulas in Excel, so and you can use the functions also, like is equal to some function, predefined function है यहाँ पे, इसको आप कह सकते हो. And these brackets when we giving a range in the brackets, these brackets are called parentheses. Now we'll see how we can create a basic formula in Excel sheet. So students, I am showing you step by step in the Excel sheet. You will also do it. You will type first this data in your sheet, like in age or month, number of units. It is given on your book also on page number 19. You will type similarly like that one. So first we understood what is the basic formula. So basic formula involves only one type of operator in it. आपको पता ऑपरेटर्स प्लस माइनस मल्टीप्लाई डिवीज़न ओके रिमाइंडर बहुत सारे ऑपरेटर्स होते हैं, पर जब हम एक्सेल शीट के अंदर एक ही ऑपरेटर यूज़ कर सकते हैं देन दैट इज़ कॉल्ड वी कैन से अप्लाई ओनली बेसिक फार्मूला. जब एक ही शीट के अंदर एक ही ऑपरेटर यूज़ हो. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है इज़ इक्वल टू B1 प्लस B2 प्लस B3 प्लस B4. So here B1 तो nothing is written, so I will start from here. B2, then B3, then B4, then B5 and plus B6 plus B7 means it will find the sum of these cells, then press the enter key. So this is the basic formula I applied here. When I applied here, then only the plus symbol is seen here. So only one operator plus, or you can use multiply here, then it will multiply these numbers. So in the same way, this is the basic formula. So you can do also it in practically. Now we'll see what is compound formula. Compound formula we are using when we are using more than one operator. So compound formulas are used when we are using more than one operator is required to perform calculation. For example, is equal to P multiply R multiply T divided by 100. Here multiply and division are the two operators. So more than one operator is used here. So when जब हम एक से ज़्यादा ऑपरेटर यूज़ करते हैं उसको हम बोलेंगे कंपाउंड फार्मूला. Okay, so like in Excel sheet also I will show you here. Like here if instead of this one B plus, अगर यहाँ पे मैं बीच में एक मल्टीप्लाई भी यूज़ कर लूँ, मल्टीप्लाई, देन here I am using here like division also. So अब यहाँ पे एक से ज़्यादा ऑपरेटर्स यूज़ हो गए. when I am using more than one operators, then it will become the compound formula. So up to here you also do the practice on the computer. If you have Excel software, do it practically up to here. Next explanation I will send you soon. Thank you students.